Hey guys, I'm Latonya J, your Breakthrough Realtor, and it's my Physicians Appreciation Month. And we're here today at Parris Cardiovascular, and we'll be visiting with Dr. Cordell Parris. Stay tuned. Hi guys, we're here today with Dr. Cordell Parris. How you doing today?
I'm doing fabulous.
That's great. Well, I'm Latonya J, your Breakthrough Realtor. Now, tell us a little bit about your practice.
My practice, Parris Cardiovascular Center, I started it back in 2005 after living on a big group here in Baton Rouge. And this practice, I'm not sure if you're aware, this is the only female-owned practice in the state of Louisiana. And I was the only Afro-American female for years. Now we have I call myself the queen. But now we have another lady here as well. But this practice, I set it up just for females initially. And now we have the males coming because it's pretty, it's nice. You're coming home to a living room feel versus, a sterile feel like the other practices. And I've been here for approximately 16 years.
Oh, that's Parris. So what makes you different as a cardiovascular specialist?
Well, I think I'm very different from the big groups. First of all, me, myself, and I. The practice takes each patient, and our motto is every patient's like family. So when you come in, you're coming in the living room space as an individual, and everybody is treated almost like VIP. If you need to get your CT scan, or you need to go back to your regular doctor, or you need to be referred, my staff actually calls and make sure all the services are done. You're not just going to be pushed out the door. And it's one-on-one for you.
So what are some of the most common issues you see here, and what are some of the things your patients can do, to be treated?
This area is actually kind of interesting. Most people are unaware that heart disease, heart attacks is the number one killer of women all over the United States, but more so here in Louisiana. 1 in 4 persons or ladies over age 50 is going to have some issues with heart disease or heart failure. It's kind of big here. This is a very delicious food place. And we talk about the fried foods. We had that big conversation with the fried foods. Frying is okay if you air fry. Air fry is a big thing right now. But a lot of foods that are available out there, the fried chicken, shrimp has a lot of calories. This is even though it's seafood, it's not fish. It has to be fish. So seafoods, and they love to fry their seafood. So shrimp and crab actually have a lot of fat, and then they're fried again. And those are the things that are actually going into the bloodstream. That's actually cholesterol. I don't know if you're aware of that. That's cholesterol, the fries. And it's swimming around, floating with your plasma. And then it finds a place to hang out, which it shouldn't be hanging out in the arteries of your heart, because then you get your heart attack. And a lot of people come in here, a lot of ladies come in here with heart attacks already have occurred. And then the diabetes, just the sugars make the blood and the cholesterol so thick, it lines the vessels. Kind of like having a hose with mud in there. It gets thicker and thicker over a period of time. That's the same thing happening to your body if you allow that stuff to come in on an everyday basis.
Oh, wow. Well, the key thing here is, guys, get you an air fryer.
An air fryer, right.
So tell us, what are some of the other projects you have going on right now?
Okay, I love Baton Rouge. Everybody knows that.
Yes,
I did get a key to the city, by the way.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, so
that's nice.
I'm a Baton Rougean, even though I was born in the Caribbean. I have a lot of good stuff going on. I have the Twilight Center, which is in the front, and that's a walk-in clinic and a spa. So we try to help the patients who don't have primary care doctors. I was kind of searching, that's available for them. And it has the spa services as well. We have that. And we have an event center called the Angel Heart Center, where we rent out on the weekends for parties, weddings, etc. Right here in the Baton Rouge area.
Oh, nice.
Where the main office is.
Well, Dr. Cordell Parris, I just want to thank you for letting us come and being one of our honorees for my Physicians Appreciation Month.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And on behalf of myself, Latonya J, the Realtors, and even other Realtors, we just, would just like to thank you for everything you do in the community.
Man, I'm truly honored. I really am,
You're welcome. Now, is there anything else you would like to tell us?
Okay, this is this is good stuff. So, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, back in 2016, my brother, who, if you pan here, you'll see his face, died from a pulmonary embolism. And I created the Women's Health Education Friends and Family Center, which is to educate people on health-related issues, everything, lung cancer, whatever. And part of that, I created Clearer Focus with Dr. Parris, which every 2 weeks I put out a show on CW and YouTube. So it's going to be CW, it's Cox 10, if you have Cox Cable. And we talk about health issues because people just don't understand and they don't know. And I feel like since, God has blessed me so much by giving me all this, and I just really have a good, happy life that I can give back to the public, at least letting them understand. So the logo for the show is Bridging the Understanding Between Health and You. So simple topics: clots, hypertension, strokes, heart attack, breast cancer, erectile dysfunction. We've done those things already. Please go on YouTube, webcenter.com, or Clear Focus with Dr. Parris. Like, share, and subscribe, else I'm coming after you guys.
Well, thank you so much for having us, and once again, we would just like to thank you.
I'm really honored, I really am. Seriously, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming to my office.
Yes, I mean, you guys, we had a great visit today at Parris Cardiovascular. So I'm Latonya J, your Breakthrough Realtor, and stay tuned for our next episode.